Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai. And for today, as usual, Friday, as always, being English video to be uploaded for you all to share. And of course, today I'm going to cook something very simple, that is our street food in Malaysia, or hawkers food, which is mee Hailam or Hailam Noodle. So let's see the ingredients. Yellow noodle, sliced chicken, beef, squid and prawns, Chinese mustard, carrot and cabbage, chili paste, sugar, salt, pepper, white pepper, dark soy sauce, garlic, ginger and shallot. We have here our red chilies and also our Chinese parsley, and also we have our spring onion. Here is the spring onion. Water, corn flour, oil and fried shallots. Okay, first we chop the vegetables here. And also the carrot. Half of it will be fine, not necessary to use the whole carrot. And here I'm going to just chop finely the cabbage. Okay, this is for the garnishing. I'm going to just slice the red chilies. And also my celery. And my spring onion. I'm going to blend ginger, garlic and also my onion. Add some water. Okay, first we heat up the oil. Okay, stir fry the blended ingredients. If you want to chop the ingredients, also can. Just chop parsley, and now I'm going to stir fry this. So now I'm going to add in the chili paste. Okay, chili paste, if you want it to be more spicy, you can add more. Okay, once it gets caramelized and fragrant, now you can add in the chicken, beef, squids, and also the prawn. I'm going to add in some salt, but not too much because the dark soy sauce is already salty. So here I'm going to add in the dark soy sauce. And some water. And also the white pepper and my corn flour mixture. Together with the vegetables. And also the noodles. If it's a bit thick, you can add some water inside. Fry until the noodle is cooked. Okay, once you see everything is combined and the noodles getting soft, you can just put off the fire and you can serve it right away. Okay, you can serve this hot. And you just sprinkle with the garnishing. Okay, this is my version of mee Hailam, which is commonly found in our hawker stall. So for those who wish to try, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai and press the bell button.